Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're an Amazon FBA seller and want to find winning products and high-performing keywords, Helium 10's Xray tool is a total game changer. To install the extension, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Helium 10 Chrome extension, and click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, make sure you're logged in to your Helium 10 account, even a free account works. Now click on the Helium 10 Chrome extension. Then, select the Xray tool from the drop-down. Next, click on Run Keyword Search. This opens up a detailed keyword breakdown. Now, Helium 10 will pull in all the keywords that this product ranks for using real Amazon data. This is perfect for finding high search volume keywords that actually convert, so you can use them in your own product listing and PPC campaigns. The Helium 10 Chrome extension gives you real-time insights right on Amazon's website. No need to open a separate tool. But that's not all. The extension also gives you access to ASIN Grabber, quickly export ASINs for bulk research. Profitability Calculator, estimate profit margins after fees. Inventory levels, see how much stock a competitor has. Review Insights, analyze reviews to understand customer pain points. Whether you're a new seller or scaling up, it helps you avoid saturated markets and focus on what actually works. Want to try Helium 10? Use the link in the description for the best discount available online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a powerful Amazon selling tip.